I can. I need you right now. I need you right now.
Hello everyone, my name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is April 23rd, 2022, and Bitcoin is a ticking time bomb. Tick, tick, tick. Boom. The question is, though, when will it boom? When will it absolutely blast off? All right. And what's our next resistance? Where can we expect it to go to? In this video, I'm going to try to answer those questions and many more. If that sounds interesting to you, then watch until the very end. Okay. So I'm on the 4-hourly time frame. And what I've done is one, I've shown that we've had 1, 2, 3 touches of this principal support, right? As we can see on the VPVR right here, let me get my pen tool. The VPVR shows a strong support at this $39,000 level, okay? And we've tested this once, twice, 3 times, okay? And every single time we've tested it, we've gotten a small bounce up, okay? But as you know, in technical analysis, 3 is a magic number, 5 is a magic number. A lot of these primary Fibonacci numbers are very important. So after 3 touches, expect us to not only go up within this range of price action, but actually break the high of this trading range, okay? So as to when we will go boom, it's likely that we're close. We're very, very close, okay? And the second point I will make in terms of trying to answer the question when is probably one of the most complex and difficult questions to answer in technical analysis, right? You can answer how, why is probably also as complex, right? In terms of trying to give good fundamental answers as to why price action is doing what it's doing. Nevertheless, answering when is something that many people would like to know, all right? And a lot of times we can approximate when just looking at the chart, okay? The chart shows you patterns, all right, in time. So over here in this trading range, right, that we've had since January, we had a consolidation, right, starting in January, towards the end of January, and it took around 12 days before moving up and out to the top of this channel, okay? Once more, we had a downtrend, and in that downtrend, we took 6 days, moved up, but promptly moved down, then took another 6 days to move up, all right? So you see a pattern, 12 days, 6 days, 6 days, and here, how long do you think we've spent in this trading range, consolidating, testing 39,000 as a support level? Well, let's answer that. From April 11th till today, it's been approximately 12 days. So, in answer to the question when, today may very well be the day, okay? And if you're subscribed to the channel, you'll know that my strategy in trading this up until now has simply been to buy support and wait, okay? Not trying to necessarily trade when, right? Not trying to time the market exactly, but simply just buy and wait. Let the market do what it does. I'm not directly invested in Bitcoin, but I'm always invested in Bitcoin as a proxy because it's the market mover. I'm invested in other altcoins, okay? But the strategy is not necessarily to buy on leverage right now, right? But to buy on spot and wait for the market to move. Buy on spot because we are at the bottom of a trading range, right? We're at the bottom of a trading range, 2 trading ranges actually. We're at the bottom of this trading range and the bottom of this larger trading range. So buying on the bottom and waiting for it to make the move, I believe, is the soundest or the most sound strategy at this moment. So this is what I've done and this is what I'm doing, right? Obviously, we're all impatient to realize our gains, but that's the name of the game. Good trading, and I say this a lot on this channel, and I'm going to repeat it because it stands repeating. It bears repeating. Good trading is oftentimes very boring. That's actually when you know you're doing it right. When you're, living on the edge and trading the minute chart left and right, you're exposing yourself to a lot of risk. It's not bad. Some people could do it. You can develop a winning strategy on any time frame, but by and large, you're likely to be losing more than you're likely to win because you're just playing, smaller odds. All right. Now, given that most of our market, right, most of this crypto market is actually leverage trading, right? It's margin trading. It's not spot trading. It's important for us to gain a little bit of insight as to what's going on with the leveraged sort of open interest, okay? So as you can see on this chart, before we leave this chart, you'll see April 1st was about the time we were ranging and started to move down, okay? This big move down from this level happened in the beginning of April, okay? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at open interest from around April 1st, what were longs doing, what were shorts doing, and kind of get an idea as to what the market is like in terms of open interest using Phemex, which is an exchange where a lot of money is exchanged, okay? A lot of big players are trading on Phemex. I'm going to use that as a proxy for the rest of the open interest market in crypto, okay? So first, let's look at the longs, okay? So since about April 1st, we've seen, all right, on the 4-hourly, we've seen that longs decreased, obviously, since we're going down. Probably some longs got liquidated, got squeezed, stopped out, okay, since April 1st. But then around about April 10th, longs started to take off again, okay? So we've gotten a resurgence of longs since April 10th. So you'll see that on this chart. Also, I want to draw your attention to the pattern that's formed here. It looks like there's still some room to run for the longs. We're not at a level of resistance. So if longs were to continue up until this structure high, right, it wouldn't be something out of the ordinary. And this structure high, mind you, is around the $45,000 level. All right. So keep that in mind. Now, let's look at shorts in the same period of time. April 1st was here. So shorts gradually increased since April 1st and had a big spike on April 10th, the same day that longs started to, pick up again, okay? So that's what happened on April 10th with the shorts. And ever since about April 12th, they've been around this level, just, consolidating, if you will. And it looks like a level of resistance. It could be a consolidation for continuation, but it looks like a level of resistance to me. I pointed this out in yesterday's intraday video. So this is what the situation is with open interest. We have in the market, we've accumulated some shorts from April 10th, okay? And especially since April 1st, and especially on April 10th, okay? So those have yet to be flushed out of the market, right? They've been consolidating since April 10th. Now let's go back to our chart of Bitcoin and see if this makes sense. So, and guys, if you're getting value from this, getting value from the technical analysis, getting value from the on-chain analysis, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Daily Bitcoin updates, weekly live streams every Tuesday at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and occasional altcoin updates, right? As I like to discuss our favorite altcoins on this channel, Ravane, Kadena, and Verasity. If you want updates for those, just watch my last video, not my last video, but the second to last video, the daily update. I gave pretty good updates on each and every one of those altcoins, right? Nothing's really changed. So I'm not going to give any updates on them today. Anyway, let's get on with it. So April 1st, right, the start of our downtrend. Then April 10th, the beginning of our consolidation. Remember what happened when we started consolidating? Long started increasing, right? Right. So from April 10th, the bulls sort of recognized a reversal. Okay, bulls recognized a reversal started from this point on. They recognized this as an initial break of structure, as did we on this channel, right? And from that point on, basically long started increasing, preparing for a reversal to the upside. In that same time, we had shorts also increasing. Okay, shorts had a bit of a spike on April 10th and then a consolidation. So what's going to happen if we start to move up here? Those shorts that increased on April 10th and consolidated ever since then are going to get flushed out. They're going to be liquidated or stopped out and forced to go long. So that's how you will get, as a result of open interest shorts, you will get a short squeeze, probably when their stops are hit at this point right here and this point right here, okay? Because the VPVR is showing me strong resistance here, okay? And they're probably expecting this to serve as strong resistance. So they have their stops hidden here, points hidden here, stops hidden here, liquidation points hidden there. This is important to understand price action because our market is primarily open interest, leveraged, margined money, right? Borrowed money. And that money changes hands quickly because, people are over leveraged. So this is what I'm seeing. If we do move up, if we indeed play this out as a reversal pattern, okay, and we move up, once we hit the levels of 40,700 and again 42,400, expect price to move up more quickly than you expect, more quickly than people anticipate, and for our next target of 45K and then subsequently 50K to be hit. This is what I'm seeing in the market, and this is why I'm seeing it. Once again, if you appreciate this analysis, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care, and I guess just wait for the explosion to happen. Hopefully it happens today. All right, bye.